Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Midjourney to keep brand style consistent step by step clearly. To configure Midjourney for consistent brand style, begin by defining your brand guidelines. Gather all relevant materials that outline your color palette, typography, and visual tone. Log into your Midjourney account and access the settings menu. Locate the custom settings option within the dashboard. Select brand settings to create a new project profile focused on your brand. Input your brand colors into the color palette section. Make sure to include HEX codes for precise color accuracy. Next, upload any logos or imagery that represent your brand identity. Ensure that these elements are high resolution for the best quality. Move on to the typography section and specify your brand font choices. If the exact fonts are not available, choose similar alternatives that align with your style. Now, define the visual tone by describing adjectives that represent your brand, such as modern, minimalist, or vintage. Input these descriptors into the provided fields within the platform. After configuring these settings, save your changes to the project profile. Test your settings by generating a few images with a prompt that reflects your brand's theme. Adjust the parameters as necessary based on the initial outputs. Review the generated images for consistency with your brand guidelines. Make further refinements to your settings to ensure alignment with your vision. Keep a record of successful prompts and settings for future reference. Regularly revisit your configurations to adapt to any changes in your brand evolution. By following these steps, you can ensure that Midjourney produces visuals that consistently represent your brand style. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.